الرحمن الرحيم.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Welcome to the first long-form video of our series Learning Arabic from the Basics. This ongoing series dedicated to introducing the Arabic language right from the ground up. Today, we're delving into the heart of this journey, exploring the Arabic alphabet. So without further ado, let's immerse ourselves in the beauty of these unique letters.
So again, the first one, alif, ba, ba, ta, ta, tha, tha, jim, jim, ha, ha, kha, kha, dal, dal, ذال, ذال, را, را, زا, زا, سين, سين, شين, شين, صاد, صاد, ضاد, ضاد, طاء, طاء, ظاء, ظاء, عين, عين, غين, غين, فاء, فاء, قاف, قاف, كاف, كاف, لام, لام, ميم, ميم, نون, نون, هاء, هاء, واو, واو, يا. These are our 28 Arabic letters. What I'd like you to do is pause it, have a try and read of the entire alphabet yourself. If you can, then continue, and if you can't, then pause and carry on watching, re-watching the previous part. Try to learn those names and match it with its shape, inshallah ta'ala.
Also, feel free to check out the shorts from the start of our series if you wish on mastering the Arabic language. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, I am sure our series can be your ultimate guide to mastering Arabic language.